Boat Tour 1 in Cat Gia Bay. The duration was about 2.5 hours. This was a private tour on a local's boat. The price per boat was 1.2 million Vietnamese dong, or about $50 US. Cat Ba Island in North Vietnam is located in Lan Ha Bay, right next to the famous Halong Bay. Cat Ba is the biggest island in the entire region. It is surrounded by over 400 limestone karsts, which vary in size and shape. Some limestones have small, pristine beaches, like this one. These towering limestone formations total up to 1,600 in the whole Halong Bay archipelago. Compared to Halong Bay, Lan Ha Bay is less crowded, making it a great option for those seeking a more peaceful and serene experience. Lan Ha Bay is also a great place to take part in water-based activities such as snorkeling, kayaking, or scuba diving. Cat Ba Island was recognized as a World Biosphere Reserve by UNESCO in 2004. Fishing and aquaculture are significant economic activities on the island, with many locals involved in the traditional fishing trade. The city you see in the background is Cat Ba Town. That is where the boat trip started. Boat Tour 2 in Lang Ha Bay. The duration was about 3 hours. This was another private tour on a local's boat. The price was 1.5 million Vietnamese dong, or about $62 US. The tour starts at Cai Beo Floating Village, the oldest fishing village in Vietnam. It dates back 7,000 years, to prehistoric times. The fishing village currently has about 300 households living mainly on fishing and aquaculture. A famous fishing technique here is cage farming. The fish are kept in a cage for 2 to 3 years before being sold to ensure their meat firmness and extremely high quality. The second stop of the tour is the Monkey Island. The monkeys on the island are a species of macaque, which are known for their intelligence and playful behavior. Our tour guide brought some bread to lure the monkeys out. You should be careful while feeding them, because even though they are cute and playful, they can be very unpredictable. If you are wondering what time of the year to visit Cat Ba Island, you should know that it is a tropical monsoon area, so the winter is less cold and the summer is less hot than the mainland. A very good time to visit Cat Ba is from April to the end of June. When it's summer, the weather is cool and pleasant. Another good period is starting with late September until late November, just after the rainy season and before the cool winter days begin. The next stop is to one of the islands, for a swim in the warm, clear waters. After swimming for about an hour, the next destination is the kayaking spot. To rent one kayak for 1 hour, the price is 100K dong, or about $4. You can enjoy this amazingly tranquil area with very little boat traffic and surprisingly calm water. Kayaking in these calm waters is a sublime experience, especially for a beginner. Make sure to use sunscreen and bring some water with you, as you might spend more time enjoying this place than you expected. You can stop at any of the small beaches and relax for a while before heading back to the boat to end the tour. This is one of the most amazing experiences you can have while staying on Cat Ba Island, so don't miss out.